Hello everyone, welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. I hope you are well. Today we're going to make a quick vegan lemon garlic pasta with kale. Here are the ingredients. I have here some pasta. I'm going to use bow tie pasta. You can use your preferred option. I'm going to use olive oil here, some nutritional yeast. This is optional in the recipe, but it does provide a thickening agent, and also it does make it taste a little cheesy as well. As you can see, cheesy seasoning without the dairy. Also, I'm going to use this Himalayan salt to salt my water for my pasta. This is what I'm going to use to season my pasta. This complete seasoning, it just calls for salt and pepper though in the recipe. Also, you need the juice and the lemon zest, so the outside skin here of one lemon. Also, they call for 2 packed cups of kale. I'm going to go ahead and use both of these because once you heat this up, the kale just shrivels down to nothing. So I want to make sure I have enough kale in this recipe. Also, it calls for chili flakes. I'm going to use this red pepper chili crushed here, and also they call for 4 garlic cloves minced. So I went ahead and went the easy route with it already minced for me. So I'll go ahead and use this instead. Okay, so I've brought my water to a boil. I just added my Himalayan salt to the water. Now I'm going to add what they suggest is 8.8 ounces of pasta. So that's about a cup and a little over a cup. So I have a cup here, my dry measure. I'm going to add that cup. I'm going to add a little bit more because I feel like it needs a lot more than that for the amount of kale I'm going to be using. And you want to go ahead and stir your pasta. And it does say for this pasta, it cooks to al dente perfection in 9 to 11 minutes. So we'll set the timer for 11 minutes. While the pasta is boiling, I'm just going to go ahead and pop my steamable bags of kale into my microwave. If you don't have a microwave, that's okay. Pull out another pot, pour the contents into the pot, and go ahead and boil until your kale is heated. While the pasta is boiling, I've been zesting the outside of this lemon. It smells so great, guys. It smells amazing. So all you're doing is rubbing it across this grater to get just the the yellow portion. You don't want to get any of the white. So I'm just going along it like this to gather as much of the lemon skin they possibly can. And it's so rich in lemon scent. And also it will be in flavor as well. So the pasta is cooked to al dente. I did taste it. It's perfect, guys. So now you want to do, before you drain it from this water, we want to save, it says 1 to 2 cups of the water. That's we're going to use to kind of loosen up the pasta dish in the pan. So we're going to save about 2 cups of this water here and strain the rest of the water from the pasta. That. So now we're going to finalize the pastas. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. That's 1, and this is 2. I'm going to let that heat up. So we're going to heat garlic on medium-low heat just until it starts to brown. You don't want your garlic to burn. So I'm going to add 4 beets. That's 1 teaspoon each of this garlic. Because according to the serving size, 1 teaspoon equals a clove of garlic. So we have 3, and then we have 4. There we go. I'm also going to add these red pepper flakes as well to this. This is going to give it a little spice. Keep an eye on it. You don't want it to burn, the garlic to burn. Just want it to brown and heat up a bit. You see here after 2 to 3 minutes, this is how it can change colors. It's at the nice color, golden brown there. So now we're going to add, according to the recipe, our kale. Mix together that garlic, those red pepper flakes or red chili flakes if you have those. Mix it together. Combine the ingredients and let this go ahead and cook. All right, now we're going to add the lemon zest and the lemon juice to this. I combine the 2 together. Make sure I get all of it. All right, so lemon juice is in. Now we're going to add the pasta, drained pasta, bow ties. And then we're going to just toss this and mix this all around. All this combined nicely. I smell that lemon. I smell that garlic in here. Looking fantastic. So he said if it looks a little dry, to go ahead and add some of that pasta water in there to kind of loosen it up. So that's what I did. That's 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons of Bragg's nutritional yeast. Make all the ingredients kind of stick together in the recipe. I like to use Bragg's a lot for soups as well. Thicken my broth in my soups. You're going to use your salt and pepper. I'm going to use my Badaya seasoning here. Touch of additional flavor. This has herbs and spices, garlic, and all that in it as well. All right, so it looks like the pasta is definitely ready to go. And here you go, guys. Here is the vegan lemon garlic pasta with kale. As the recipe says, the lemon garlic does, and that chili pepper really does give this pasta a really lovely flavor. This is definitely a quick meal I would make again. It's very quick and easy. I love garlic, so this is definitely a go-to for me. I will leave this recipe in the link to this recipe in the description of this video for you to try if you would like. I do taste the red pepper chili flakes that I did put in here, and they are hitting the back of my throat, which is amazing after tasting that lemon garlic flavor. The bow tie noodles is a great addition for this, and it gives it a nice presentation. It's very flavorful, and I just love the taste. So if you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments below this video, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video as I continue to eat on my pasta dish. Bon appetit, guys. God bless you. Bye-bye.